Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off change rotor with item for VoiceOver on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on VoiceOver and go down. Then in here, tap on Rotor, and then tap on Change Rotor with Item. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off, turn it on, and it said here changes the selected rotor based on the VoiceOver focus item. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.